and welcome to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today I will be sharing with you a tiny portion of my family's recent vacation to Tennessee. I never viewed Tennessee as a vacation spot until now. Originally we had planned to find a cabin in Georgia, but we came across this luxurious and beautiful cabin. We mainly stayed in the Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge area. Tennessee has some of the most beautiful mountains I have ever seen. God's masterpiece at its best. They were simply breathtaking. Tennessee mountains were also very steep and had the deepest cliffs without railings. Those roads reminded me of an exaggerated illustration of Dr. Seuss's books. I didn't like that very much, but the views were worth it. I am used to my flatland here in Florida. And yes, I am a New England girl forever, but these Tennessee mountains did not compare to anything that our baby mountains have up north. And lastly, it wouldn't be Cooking with Lauralee if there wasn't some cooking. I have a very easy 3-ingredient rib recipe to share with you all. As always, please be sure to share and subscribe.